Good boy. Mmm. Are you eating? More?
More? Here. Here.
This is what happens when Daddy feeds you. Daddy lets you do all the work and get all messy. We got broccoli in our hair and yogurt all over our eyes. Turn it around, baby. There you go. Mmm. More? Daddy give you more? It's coming. It's coming. Mmm. Nice. I think there's more in your face than in your tummy. You want to give Chap some? Why don't you give him the bowl and see if he can scoop it?
Yeah.
Oh no. So dinner right before bath is probably a good idea. Say bye everyone. See you later. How's you?